What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here at Sacramento Raceway and we got Project Blueberry ready to go down the track. We have the homie Brian with his K-Swap EJ. We have Jonathan in the back over there with the boys. Track days are for the boys, Saturdays are for the boys. So he's got a stock K20Z3 all motor. Just gonna see what it does. First time on the track, yeah?
Yeah.
With this setup.
Yep.
Yep, same thing with Blueberry out here. So right now, just gonna do my registration and go into lane 7 for tech, and hopefully, guys, hopefully we have a good day. All right, so we are teched in, camera is set up, and we are lanes 5 and 6. Today is test and tune for the next 2 hours. I came an hour and a half late, and it's gonna be Grudge Fest after that, but I'm not racing Grudge Fest. Grudge Fest is mainly the muscle car guys, which today's track is pretty much all the muscle car guys, but the muscle car guys. But once we hear the first burnout, we'll go line up in lane 5 and 6 because they are still prepping the track. So right now we're just chilling. We moved the van so we can get some shade from the sun since we forgot the canopy and all that, but we are ready to rock and roll, guys. Ready to rock and roll. I don't have a high expectation for the car. Granted, you know, the engine is like, it's smoking like crazy, but it runs really well. And yesterday we did all the two-step. We raised the limiter so we don't have to go into 5th gear, and it runs and drive every other day perfectly fine. I don't see why it would have any issue down the track. Today's goal is to touch 11s, and if it touches 11, I have a second goal after that, but we'll see how the day goes because there is a handful amount of cars at the pits now. So hopefully once the line starts rolling, it rolls through quickly. We've been sitting here for like an hour. My car completely cooled off, and there was a lot of like spill on the track. Somebody lost an engine. Shout out, because they had a diaper, so I caught most of it. They're finally starting to run again, and the event that we attended here is Test and Tune, but Test and Tune is already over. So they said on the intercom that if you have not made a pass yet, and because of all of the mishaps down the track, we will lay over the TNT guys into Grudge Fest, which goes to 9 o'clock, and it's 4 hours more ahead from right now. So I just want to make a solid pass, maybe a second one, and I'll be okay. But if we go into Grudge Fest, then so be it. Or something. We made an A to B pass. So the car had a boost cut when I got into 4th gear. It jolted forward, and I let off after that. I did a 13.2 at 76 miles an hour, 1760 foot. 7.6 on the 8th mile at 85 miles an hour. Reaction time 0.153. Like, dude, this thing was moving. I hope the data log is on so I can see what it did in 4th gear. Damn, that felt freaking awesome, dude. All right, guys, so pretty much test and tune is it's over, but because there was so much mishaps on the track that they had to clean it, they said that we could stay till 7. Grudge Fest is gonna run in between, obviously, until 9. So we're gonna try to get at least like 3 passes. Yeah, we did once already. He did one, I did one.
At least one good one.
Yeah, right now they're taking a break because this is the transition from TNT to Grudge, and they're prepping the track. So we have 30 minutes before we go hot again, and we're gonna do this pass. If the car does boost cut again in 4th, we're gonna try to see if we data log so we can check it and see if we can do a 3rd. He's gonna try to do a 3rd as well too, and then whatever it gives us, we'll take it and we'll head on home. But according to my time slip, the 8th mile time, the 7:65 that I ran, calculated to quarter mile is 11.9. So this car's got it. 60 foot was 1.7. If I cut that down, it'd go even lower. But I'm really just concerned about that 4th gear. Weather's getting a little cooler, so hopefully, I think the weather getting cooler is what's giving me more boost.
Yeah, it might be creeping up because it's not.
Because it's cooler. Yeah, it's not hot anymore. So I guess we'll continue when we get back on the track. Okay, so I'm going down to where it says boost low and boost high.
Boost low.
Uh-huh.
Highlight 4th, 5th, and 6th gear.
All of it?
All RPMs.
So
they should say like 50 right now, right? Or 15 or whatever.
18?
What does it say right now?
18?
18. Okay. So lower 4th, 5th, and 6th gear down to like 15.
How do I do that?
So highlight 4th, 5th, and 6th gear all together. Hit Control J.
Control J.
And then the bottom box should say set to.
Set selected values to.
Yeah. Put like 15.
15.
Enter.
Enter. Okay.
And then upload.
So if I do it like this, then the car will only be making 16 pounds of boost?
We don't know what it's gonna make. If it's over boosting.
Oh, so it's 16 and then it's gonna creep whatever above that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna upload it now.
Yep.
Uploading. Onboard data logging. Click enable onboard data logging.
Yep, and then upload again.
Two-step. sound good. Let's go! 11.5, baby! That's exactly what I was looking for. Fuck yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Whatever that noise is, we'll figure it out when we get home. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, dude. Let's go. 11.5 at 120 miles an hour. Look at my hand. Hey, Brian, look at my hand. Yo, that shit was on a mission. So we just upped the two-step on Brian's coupe, and we're headed back into the line right now. I don't know what the noise is coming from my engine bay. I don't know if it's a rod knock or something's loose, but at the end of the day, the motor's coming out anyways. So what we were shooting after, we got what we were looking for, 11.5 at 120 miles an hour. Blueberry has more in it because I did a 169 60 foot, so it's a high 1.6, and it's got more in it, but I'm good with where it's at, because if I ran 11.5, then the car has 11 plus or minus 5 after that. So we're gonna try to get this one more TNT in, and then we're gonna wrap it up for our TNT day. What'd you do?
13.7 out.
13.7. That's freaking amazing, man. This is the first time out in a long while. It's the first time.
This is my first time.
First time ever. And he went from a 14.
14.5.
14.5, made adjustments, bogged out of the hole the second one, third one straight into the 13s.
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome, man. Stock K20 Z3, full interior, full street car, full exhaust, driven here, driving home, and only room for improvement. What was your 60 foot in the slip? That's already going to tell you right off the bat that this thing's got a lot more in it.
It was.
Does it just slip? Oh, that's not shabby. 1.8. Because the other one was a 2. The other one's a 2.1.
This one was. This one was a 2.0.
Yeah. So this is your. This one's got to be your fast slip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that, man. A lot of room for improvement. 1.860, and your tire pressure set at
10.
10. Yeah, dude. This thing's got a lot more in it, man. K20 Z3, all motor EJ. And this thing is freaking scooting. So we are pretty much done for today, guys. We lost a lot of, obviously it's nighttime already, and we're not parked under the lamps over there, but I went to my boy's pit, and Romero and his brother His brother did a PB, his EF hatch did a 10.2, his EF sedan, Joel's car, did a 10.5, but his personal best was a 10.2, and they're race cars, so it's gonna sit a long period of time. They were like, man, you need E85, here you go. So I got 5 gallons here, I still got half of my jug, and they got like 5 more over there if I need it. So right now I'm gonna pump this, and they showed me something that I've never seen before. This is a $7 Harbor Freight pump. You put it in a tank, you put this in your gas cap, and you turn it on, and it suctions for $7. It sucks. Gotta show this for the camera because I ain't never seen this before. Pretty cool. He said just submerge it, take this, put it in there, and he said turn it on. What? Look at that, my guys.
I need one of those.
Yo, I definitely need one of these. Look at that. That's some air bubbles right there. That's sick. Okay, so I guess this is just one of those set it and forget it. I do have lesser than half tank, so the 5 gallons shouldn't overflow it. So we'll just let that roll, and let's go ahead and just pull our wheels off. The motor's coming out anyways, so 11.5, and we rod knocked it.
Knock knock, who's there?
Not me.